Hello and you're welcome back to my channel. Today on this video, I want to share uh, a little information with us. Okay, when I made an intro of my video, I talked about how we can be beautiful as women without having those heavy makeup on. And as you can see, I don't have anything on my face. But you still want to look, change your face. As we are home now, maybe you want your brow to be uh, well, uh, shaped, and your face, you want your face to look good, and but you don't want to wear heavy makeup, those foundations, concealers, and those glinters, and those many eyeshadows, and so many things that you'll be you'll be you don't want anybody to touch your face, because if your kids come to touch you too much, you might stain them with your foundation, or you might stain anyone that comes close to you too much. You might even feel heavy. Your skin will be so heavy. I believe as time goes on, I'll be working on sharing some tips on how to keep your face, how to cleanse your face, how to wash your face, and how to take care of the face. So there's a challenge of a friend of mine, Deg Williams, that she put on Facebook and on our YouTube channel recently. She did a 5 minutes challenge makeup. So let's see how we do that. Actually, my makeup doesn't take me time. I would say my makeup takes me 5 minutes, thereabout. Normally, every day. I don't know. Thereabout. I know I don't spend up to 10 minutes when I need to dress up, when I need to go out at for occasions. So let's see what this video will be all about. Oh, Doug Williams, I'm coming. So let's see how it goes. So first of all, I'm going to use wipe. I use this uh, face wipe. The reason why I use this is because it has a moisture, as it moisturizes my face very much. It gives it that it releases my face from that dry effect. That's why I use it. See, my face is practically clean. It's clean. There was nothing on it. I just used it because sometimes my face can be very dried. Okay, I'm gonna be using a pencil, a brush. I love this brush because this was a pencil I was using for my brow before this. I love it so much. Just that the brush that came with it is so I don't know. Just I like this brush very much. You can just be looking at it. It's a normal brush that you use for, but I just love it because I'm kind of maybe used to it because of the size. So it's very very practical for me. And I'm gonna be using this brush. That I will show you what we're gonna be using it for my under eye water eyeliner. I'm going to be using this MAC gel because we no longer get good pencil. I don't really get a good pencil for waterliner anymore. I don't know why. I just prefer to use a brush. So what are we using? The pencil for the brow, the brush for the brow, the brush for the waterliner, the liner, and a lip gloss. That's all I'm gonna be using with I have a MAC powder. There's a MAC foundation. I'll be showing you just normal MAC foundation, the um, not the liquid one, just this. Okay, are we ready to go? First of all, make sure your pencil is well sharpened and the it's well sharpened, as in well, before you want to do your brow to get a good brow. Yeah, I already did my shaving like some 2 days ago. So let's see how it goes. Are you with me? Come, let's go. Okay, let's start. Let's see. Gently just draw around your brow. No matter the size of your brow, just draw. Don't push too hard. Just be gentle. Then you go to the other side. Just follow the line of your brow around it. Like so. I'm sorry if you can't really see it. Probably as time goes on, I would do a more detailed video. Then I'll take my brush. The reason why I love this brush very much, you see, because of the size, because it's not too long, because I'm used to it, so practical with it, uh, I find it very easy to blend, to blend out. And that is my brow, as easy as so. So after that, I just take the foam. This is for those of us that want that face, as in not that oily, because some of us we tend to have very oily face, so I will not have that shiny. This makes your face, keeps your face matte. It makes it just matte, and after which I would apply. Then this as well. You see it. All right. I always like to add to the upper kind of liner, if you like. It's optional. I tell you, this is my makeup when I really want to make up. Actually, it's been like for months now. If I want to make up, this is the only thing I do. And the only thing one other thing I didn't add it was this a mascara, just to brush up. No big deal there. Just to brush up uh, your lash. And I'm done. And I'm done. This is it. Just that is it. And my face is kind of enlightened. And voila. Okay. Can you see that? Can you see that? I didn't have to apply um, concealer and all of that. No, there was no need for that because the secret to a good brow is know the kind of brow you have, know how to maintain it, and have a good pencil. A good pencil. The pencil that work for me might not work for you. A pencil that is good for me might not be good for you. And I tell you, the pencils I use are really very, very affordable. Very affordable. You see those 100 naira, 150 naira pencil, brown pencil, Nigeria pencil. I use that. And this particular one that got finished, I got it when I went to Douglas um, cosmetic shops, and I got this one some time ago, a long time ago, and I just loved it. In this particular one, the same thing, I went to one of those cosmetic shops, I just picked two, and I liked it. So the thing is, any pencil that goes that you like, that you know that is good for you, can go for it. You sharpen it properly and just follow the edge. So many women find it difficult to really uh, get their brows right. And they kind of say that they don't know how to conceal, they don't know how to, you don't really need to go through those stress. Your bra can still be intact without you going through all that. If you know you don't know how to conceal, you don't have time for all those concealing. Like we, as I'm encouraging women to stay off makeup as possible, and especially we women mothers, and that we need to go to church, need to go to work, we need to go to events or different places, for us not to waste too much time trying to make up. This is what I was able to uh, learn as time goes on. Before, I do spend a lot of time making up, a real lot of time making up, but I had to learn how to make up very fast, and my face comes out very well. You see, I'm not wearing anything, practically nothing. My face is very light. I don't feel anything on it. Nothing, absolutely nothing. I told you just now the foam I used was practically just to just mm, give that matte finish. That's all, and that's it. Um, I hope you liked the video. I hope that video was useful. And Doug Williams, how were you timing? And how was the challenging video you asked to post? And please, if you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that when I upload other videos, you will be the first to be notified. God bless you and stay blessed, stay safe till I see you on my next video. Bye bye.